In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to mirror an image in Photoshop, whether you need to flip your entire canvas or just a specific layer in your design. Mastering these flip tools is essential for creating reflections, balancing compositions, or fixing orientation issues, and it is honestly one of the most useful tricks you will learn early on in your creative journey. If this video helps you master your workflow today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest professional editing guides. Let's dive right into the software. To mirror your entire image, start by opening your project in Adobe Photoshop. Once your file is open, head up to the top menu bar and click on the Image tab. From the drop-down menu, navigate down to Image Rotation. Here you will see two very important options. If you want to create a side-to-side mirror effect, select Flip Canvas Horizontal. If you need to turn the entire image upside down, choose Flip Canvas Vertical. This method is the best way to handle full photos or complete design layouts that need a total orientation shift. Now, step 2. What if you only want to flip a specific object or a single graphic element within your project? This is where layer-based mirroring comes in. First, go over to your Layers panel on the right and make sure you have the specific layer you want to work on selected. Once selected, use the shortcut Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac to open the free Transform tool. With the Transform box active around your object, right-click anywhere directly over your image. A menu will appear with several options, including Flip Horizontal and Flip Vertical. Select the one that fits your design needs and then press the Enter key to apply these changes. It's that simple. I also have a quick pro tip for you. If you want to create a clean, professional-looking reflection effect for an object, simply select your layer and hit Ctrl or Command+J to duplicate it. Then use the layer flipping method under the free Transform menu to flip the new copy vertically, and you can easily drag it down to create an instant mirror surface or water reflection look. It adds such a high-quality finish to any compositing work. By using these two distinct methods, you have full control over every part of your canvas. Once you are done with your edits, don't forget to save your work. If this step-by-step guide saved you time in your design process, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.